Hi everyone, today we're exploring the All-Clad D3 3-ply stainless steel nonstick fry pan set, featuring 8 and 10-inch skillets perfect for even cooking. These pans have a flat base with flared sides for easy flipping and tossing your favorite dishes. The tri-ply construction ensures fast, even heat distribution and professional durability, while the high-quality PTFE nonstick surface allows for easy food release and low-fat cooking. Designed with a polished stainless steel exterior and stain-resistant black nonstick interior, these pans combine style with functionality. They are oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and compatible with all stovetops, including Induction. For best care, hand wash and use silicone, nylon, or wooden utensils to preserve the nonstick coating. Proudly bonded, engineered, and assembled in Canonsburg, Pennsylvania, this set is backed by All-Clad's limited lifetime warranty. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.